Hey guys, this is Karen from Curl House, and today I have a special treat for you. I am sitting here with the lovely Dr. Nashawn Battle of Lady Rose Specialty Teas, and she's going to be giving us information about what you can do during this coronavirus season to keep your body healthy through the use of teas. But before we get started, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss a video. So teas. I know last week I talked to you about the benefits of yerba mate tea for the hair and the body, but because I have a tea specialist here, I'm going to get her to talk to you more specifically about teas, what teas you should choose, and what they do for your body. So, Dr. Battle, can you give us some tips about what we can do during this season through the use of teas?
So definitely during this climate that we're in right now, people understandably are very stressed out, and that lowers your immune system, as well as for those who may not be experiencing high levels of anxiety, you still want to be proactive with making sure that your immune system is high. And so as far as reducing stress levels, you want calming herbs. And so your calming herbs would include herbs such as chamomile, lemon balm, peppermint that calms the stomach as well, oat straw and oat tops, and that is a customized blend that I actually have in my line at Lady Rose Specialty Teas. Another tea that I customize, and just herbs that you want to incorporate into your daily life for increasing and building your immune system. Most people know about elderberry. Right now it is very difficult to find elderberry because most people know that elderberry is a herb that is going to prevent and treat colds and flu. So elderberry is a really good one. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, and so of course that is going to help build your immune system. You also want herbs such as orange peel, because again, those citrus herbs, they help with actually also vitamin D levels, which with this kind of up and down weather that we're having and how we're not technically supposed to be outside, you want to make sure that you're maintaining those vitamin D levels.
May I ask you something? You said orange peels.
Yes.
Okay. Now, last night, my husband said, Karen, we have to do a coronavirus treatment. And I thought, now my husband, he's very conscious about health. He also likes to do very natural things as opposed to medicine. So I said, okay, I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm down.
Yes.
So he boiled some water with some orange peels.
Yes.
And we took a towel and we were literally standing over the stove, inhaling the steam from the orange peels.
Yes.
So, and I just, whatever he said, I trusted him. So just listening to you talk about orange peels and the benefit of orange peels, it just, everything is connecting now.
Yes.
That's exactly what we did. We inhaled steam from orange peels.
Yes.
Yesterday.
Yes.
And that was right.
Yes, I've seen recommendations of that as well, and especially during this time. But again, when we're talking about year-round being proactive, yes, your orange pill, that is going to really boost your immune system. And it helps also herbs such as marshmallow root that helps reduce mucus and phlegm. It helps with coughs. And so herbs, there are so many natural organic herbs that you should incorporate in your life on a regular basis during this time. I emphasize that because of the heightened stress that many people are experiencing, that it is good to have at least 2 to 3 cups per day so that you're getting those good herbs into your system, and that you are maintaining a level of self-care and wellness into your life that, again, we need to do every day anyway. But right now, you know, with different news reports coming out about how it's getting worse. We don't know. We honestly don't. And so we have to really be mindful of definitely prioritizing self-care during this time and doing what we can control. And that is taking care of your body, making sure that you are drinking a lot of water, whole foods, fruits, any activity that you believe will reduce stress. And so at Lady Rose Specialty Teas, we center holistic wellness. So it's about drinking herbal teas, but it's also about maybe taking a relaxing herbal tea soak, bath blends. It's about perhaps if you like to journal, if you like to color. And so we want to make sure at Lady Rose Specialty Teas that we empower women and men to customize their own wellness experience.
Okay. So your teas, because a lot of people are self-quarantining now, can we go to your website and purchase the teas?
Yes.
Okay.
And so my website is www.ladyroseteas.com.
Okay.
I sell loose leaf teas, which means that you would need to put it in a tea strainer. And on my website, I also sell those loose leaf single-use tea strainers so that you can put your 1 tablespoon or a half a tablespoon depending on the blend, and you would just let it steep anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes and you'll enjoy a nice cup of tea. Most of my blends, if not all of them, you only need a little bit of sweetener. I recommend organic honey. Most of my customers have told me that they didn't even need to put honey in it, and so that's really a personal preference for you. Some of the blends taste really good with milk. The milk that I recommend is almond, soy, and most recently oat milk. I was drinking Finer Lady, and that is what we call the coffee alternative because it looks like coffee, and to me it really tastes more like chocolate.
Now, wait, Finer Lady
Yes.
is one of the teas that you carry?
Yes.
Okay, well, I will be trying Finer Lady because I am dealing with weaning off of coffee.
Oh, you will love it.
And I love chocolate.
Oh, then you will love it.
Okay.
Hands down, that is one of the best sellers, and that is one that when I've been at different shows and I typically have samples, the look on people's face when they're done taking the sip, it is amazing. And many coffee houses actually include roasted dandelion root in their coffee, and so that's why they call dandelion root the coffee alternative, because it's going to give you this brown color and it kind of has this coffee chocolatey smell. I had, oh my goodness, 3 cups yesterday. It was so good. And the reason why was because this was my first time I tried it with oat milk.
Okay.
You can drink it without milk. You can, but yesterday when I tried it with oat milk and a little bit of honey, I just thought it was a chocolate dessert. And it was so good. I can guarantee, you know, and I know they say not to make guarantees, but I can guarantee you're gonna love Finer Lady.
Okay, well, I want to try Finer Lady, and I even like the name of the tea, Finer Lady, because I consider myself to be a Finer Lady.
Yes,
so
yes.
So I will definitely try Finer Lady, and I am going to put your information up here about your teas. Thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you.
I know I will be having you back because she does specialize in tea, but she also specializes in tea to help restore hair too. So you know I'm all about hair health and hair restoration. So we will be back very soon with Dr. Battle so that we can talk to her a little bit more about how teas and hair go hand in hand. We can continue that conversation.
Yes.
But until we talk again, stay fabulous.
Bye-bye.
Okay.